Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aarushified. अब क्योंकि मैंने GoPro ले ही लिया है तो I had to get my hands on this one because A, it is an extension pole so I can use it in a lot of ways while I am traveling, and B, it can act as a selfie stick for your GoPro. Can you guess what is the accessory that I'm talking about? This is another accessory from the GoPro series. It's the GoPro El Grande. Video start करने से पहले make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that I post. GoPro El Grande is GoPro's first ever branded extension pole. It is available on GoPro's official website or Chroma store. I got this from Chroma online for 4,700 Indian rupees. This extension pole is 15 inches long and can extend up to 38 inches, which is huge and can serve all of the purpose really well for whatever shot you're gonna be using it. Talking about the first impression, तो it looks really good, is really sleek in design और ये काफ़ी light weight है और इसका rubbery grip makes it super sturdy. इसके अंदर जो एल्यूमिनियम का यूज़ किया गया है इट्स रियली लाइट वेट और बिल्ड क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी है बिकॉज व्हाट एल्स डू यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम GoPro. नाउ बॉटम में अर्लियर दे यूज टू प्रोवाइड अ ट्राईपॉड स्क्रू so you could easily screw a tripod at the bottom, but now they have changed it. I wonder why, क्योंकि it used to be really helpful. अब ये बॉटम से कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. At the top you get this buckle and receiver kind of mount which is pretty nice. इसमें मिलता है ये ball head to easily adjust your angle. To extend this extension pole आपको बस इसे twist करना है. It follows the twist and lock mechanism which is really easy. You can just twist it to extend or compress it back, जो कि काफ़ी easy है, इसमें कोई rocket science नहीं है. इसको extend करने के बाद इसमें 3 sections हो जाते हैं, 2 top sections plus 1 handle. Let's mount a camera onto it. ये हमारा GoPro Hero 11. Let's mount this onto it. Use this buckle mount that comes along with your GoPro. इसको mount करने के लिए just push this in and secure this properly. Make sure you push this rubber in. The best part has to be this ball head. इसको unscrew करके you can adjust your angle properly. So ये एक इसकी काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ लगती है मुझे because इससे you can adjust your angle accordingly. Overall ये एक काफ़ी essential accessory है and you should definitely buy one if you own a GoPro and travel a lot. GoPro being an action camera can work wonders with this. This can work in ways you can't even imagine at first. In this video, you can see me using the El Grande in one of my travel vlogs. I can make a video on how many ways you can use this. If you want, do drop your comments down below so that I can make a video on this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this was helpful. For more such tech review videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any update that I post. This is me signing off. We'll see you in my next one.